Keeping your home spotless can be a daunting task, but electric spin scrubbers are here to make cleaning easier, faster, and more efficient. These powerful tools take the effort out of scrubbing by tackling stubborn stains, grime, and dirt across various surfaces. With advanced features like adjustable speeds, long-lasting batteries, and versatile brush heads, they cater to every cleaning need. Let's explore the top electric spin scrubbers in 2025 that combine innovation and convenience for a sparkling home. Number 1. Dovety CB-02 Electric Spin Scrubber. The Dovety CB-02 Electric Spin Scrubber is an innovative cleaning tool designed to revolutionize your cleaning routine. With dual-speed options and an adjustable handle length, this scrubber lets you tackle stains effortlessly without bending or kneeling. Equipped with 8 brush heads and a fast-charging 3000 mAh battery, it ensures efficient, powerful cleaning for a wide range of surfaces. Key features: 500 RPM high and 300 RPM low settings for versatile cleaning. Adjustable from 14 to 53.5 inches for reaching every corner. Suitable for bathrooms, kitchens, grills, floors, car wheels, and more. Intuitive screen with 4 arcs indicating battery levels. Type-C charging with 2 to 3 hours full charge for up to 90 minutes of runtime. Comfortable and easy to operate during prolonged use. Number 2. Yesayce A11 Electric Spin Scrubber. The Yesayce A11 Electric Spin Scrubber is a versatile cleaning companion designed to ease the strain of cleaning tasks, especially for those with back or knee issues. With its extendable handle, IPX7 waterproof design, and 7 interchangeable brush heads, it efficiently tackles grime in bathrooms, kitchens, and even cars. Its cordless operation, long-lasting battery, and USB-C fast charging ensure effortless and convenient cleaning. Key features: adjustable to 3 lengths, eliminating the need to bend or kneel. Durable and safe for wet environments like showers and bathtubs. Suitable for various surfaces, including tiles, car exteriors, and crevices. Offers 280 RPM for light cleaning and 360 RPM for tougher stains. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery provides up to 100 minutes of cleaning time. Number 3. Qimedo YDQJ S1802 Electric Spin Scrubber. The Qimedo YDQJ S1802 Electric Spin Scrubber offers unmatched power with 3 speed settings to handle the toughest cleaning jobs. With an adjustable 50-inch handle, 8 brush heads, and an IPX7 waterproof design, it ensures flexibility and durability for use in wet environments. A smart display and a high-capacity removable battery make this scrubber both intelligent and efficient, perfect for deep cleaning tasks across various surfaces. Key features: 800, 1000, and 1500 RPM for customized cleaning power. Extends up to 50 inches with a 45-degree adjustable head for hard-to-reach spots. Includes 4 soft bristles and 4 cloth brushes for diverse cleaning needs. Fully sealed design allows safe use in wet areas like bathtubs and showers. The 21-volt battery offers 120 minutes of runtime on a 100-minute charge. Number 4. Bomves ANS-8050 Electric Spin Scrubber. The Bomves ANS-8050 Electric Spin Scrubber combines ergonomic design with advanced technology for efficient, effortless cleaning. Featuring a 5,000 mAh battery, dual-speed options, and adjustable lengths, it is ideal for tackling various cleaning tasks without bending or straining. With 8 replaceable brush heads and a cordless, water-resistant design, this scrubber is perfect for cleaning bathrooms, kitchens, and even car surfaces. Key features: low speed and high speed for versatile cleaning, 3 lengths to easily clean hard-to-reach areas, fully charges in 3 to 4 hours, and provides up to 90 minutes of runtime. Designed for multiple cleaning scenarios, from tiles to car surfaces. Brush heads can be immersed for cleaning, suitable for wet environments. Number 5. HattyRoom KLW-012C Electric Spin Scrubber. The HattyRoom KLW-012C Electric Spin Scrubber is designed to simplify cleaning tasks, reduce physical strain, and protect your waist and joints. Equipped with a powerful 2,600 mAh battery and 5 versatile brush heads, it effectively tackles stubborn stains and grout for deep cleaning. With an extendable handle and quiet operation, this cordless scrubber is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and hard-to-reach areas. Key features: 22 watts built-in, 2,600 mAh battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime on a 3.5-hour charge. Includes flat, pointed, cloth, and sponge brushes for various cleaning needs. Extends from 30.7 to 41.3 inches to reach tight corners and high spots. IP44 waterproof rating ensures safe use in wet environments. Cleans at 300 RPM with a noise level below 70 decibels. Number 6. PUFTEM FCB-01 Electric Spin Scrubber. The PUFTEM FCB-01 Electric Spin Scrubber is a time-saving cleaning tool designed for efficiency and ease of use. With dual-speed options, a long-lasting battery, and 6 brush heads, it tackles a variety of cleaning tasks effortlessly. Its lightweight, waterproof design ensures comfort and durability, making it a reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor cleaning. Key features: 350 RPM for normal cleaning and 400 RPM for deep cleaning. 180 minutes of runtime after a 2.5-hour fast charge. Clearly shows remaining battery capacity for uninterrupted cleaning. Suited for bathrooms, floors, windows, car wheels, and more. Ensures safe use in wet environments and easy cleaning under running water. Thanks for watching. We hope this review of the best electric spin scrubbers helped you find the perfect cleaning tool for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews and cleaning tips. Let us know in the comments which spin scrubber you're excited to try.